Hey guys, it's me, Alben, and today we're going to be reviewing a keyboard. So this keyboard is called the Kumara mechanical keyboard, and it is by Redragon. So Redragon is a really good brand for nice keyboards like this one. So let's get unboxing. Let's just look at the back first. So the back just shows us more of the keyboard and the features that are highlighted below. So now I'm going to open the box. Okay. Okay. So, first looks, this keyboard looks really nice. So let's just take this out real quick. All the wires, and I forgot to mention that this is a wired keyboard, not a wireless. Wireless keyboards are nice, but they tend to have a little latency in them when you're playing games like Fortnite and such. So let's put this out of the way. So the box came with a manual on how to use the keyboard and what are the functions and how to turn them on. And they gave us some stickers. I think, yeah, they're stickers. Okay. Alright. So, let me do a test real quick. So, I'm guessing that this is a classic keyboard, I guess, or it's in the middle, but I say this is a really good keyboard. Compared to the one that I had last time, I think this one is way better. Put this aside. This is the one that I had last time. It's called Red Thunder, and this is more of a third party than this. So, yeah, this keyboard, this is like on the cheaper end. I think I got this for $20. The Red Thunder, the Red Dragon one is, should be $40, I think. I'm gonna lift that up in the description. So, yeah, for this, I would say this is kind of budgetable. I'd say if you're a kid or a teen, do a couple of chores around the house and you'd be able to get this keyboard in no time. Alright, so that was it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go set this up and I'll catch you in a bit with the finished setup. So I just finished setting up this keyboard. Let's just turn it on real quick. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, so it's turning on right now. So there's a couple other functions. Let's see this one. This is the full lit up version. Everything's lit up, so there's not like modes or anything. Second function, this is the delay keycap one, where like if you press it, it stays there longer. Third one, I think this is also the full lit up version, I guess. Fourth one is nothing. Fifth one is just I don't know what that is. Sixth one, it's different modes, I guess. And then this is just a snake, I guess. What is this? Yeah. And then the other one, full mode. Yeah. And then this one is my favorite. There's a little thing here. Yeah. I'd say I'd give this keyboard an 8 out of 10. I think it's a really solid keyboard for beginners and people who are just getting into gaming on their keyboard and stuff. So I'm pretty sure this is a 75% keyboard.
Stop the cap.
The one that I had before was 100% with all that junk on the side. Personally, I think 75 keyboards are the way to go because they give you everything you need without having extra numbers on the side and whatever you know what you call it. So WASD's here, and then the numbers. Yeah, WASD here, and then keypads, spacebar. Everything's nice. We're gonna do a spacebar test. Spacebar sounds amazing on this keyboard. Compared to the one that I had on the other keyboard that I just showed you guys, this spacebar is excellent. and the latency is almost 0%. I could say that when playing games, I don't see any latency when I press WASD and my character moves like 5 seconds after. So I'd say this is a really solid keyboard for beginners and people who are just getting into keyboard gaming and stuff. So I said the budget was $40. It's not really gonna break the bank on your end, but yeah. So that was basically the end of my keyboard review. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, whatnot. I don't really care. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.